Imagine having your own English tutor available 24/7 for $0. Sound unreal? Let me show you how it's possible. I use ChatGPT as my personal English coach, and you can too. To begin, open your ChatGPT app and tap the three dots in the top right corner. And select Explore GPTs. Then type language into the search bar. Once you find the official IELTS Speaking English and Language Learning GPT, click on it. You're now ready to practice in two powerful ways. First, launch a simulated IELTS test by typing Start IELTS Speaking Test. Respond verbally or via text to receive scores on fluency, vocabulary, and coherence. Second, use real-time voice coaching by tapping the headphone icon. Speak naturally, and ChatGPT will instantly correct grammar, pronunciation, and phrasing errors. Both methods deliver expert feedback at zero cost, anytime you need it.